Hello and welcome everyone. I hope you all are fine. I am Santosh Balika, and in this particular video I am going to discuss with you the concept of a dormant company. Okay, the dormant company and inactive company are two words which are used for the same type of company. That means these words are synonymous in each other. Okay, so any inactive company, if it is qualifying with the conditions that has been provided under section 455 subsection 1, then it can apply to the registrar for the dormant status, and then it will become the dormant company. What is the benefit of becoming a dormant company? Since the company is not active, the company does not have to follow a lot of compliances which are required for an active company to follow under the Companies Act by getting the status of dormant company. Okay, so let us understand the conditions and the definition that has been provided in the Companies Act. Okay, so inactive company means a company which has not been carrying on any business or operations. That means the company is inactive, means it has not been carrying any business or any activity or any operations. Okay, second is, or not made any significant accounting transaction during the last two financial years. For the last two financial years, okay, excluding this year, last two financial years, preceding two financial years, in those 2 years there has been no significant accounting transaction. That means that there has not been any monetary transaction by the company in these 2 years. Okay, and has not made any financial statement, not filed any financial statement and annual returns with the registrar during the last two financial years. So these are the three specific conditions that have been provided, and please note over here that it is or condition, it's not an and condition. That means any one of these conditions, if it is met as per the definition, then such company will be called as an inactive company. Under section 455 subsection 1. Okay, such a company which has been formed, say a company has been formed for a future project. Currently the project is not yet operational, but a company has been formed and they are in the process of getting the assets for the company, and those assets are being stored by the company at the moment, but the operations has not started. Any significant accounting transaction has not happened, or they have not filed any financial statement or any annual returns for the last two financial years. In that case, such company can apply to the registrar for the status of dormant company. Okay, so this is how a dormant company will come into place. If the registrar finds merits in the application of the inactive company and they show that they are falling within the conditions provided in the definition, the three conditions provided in the definition, in that case the registrar will give them or grant them the status of dormant company. Okay, now what are the forms which are required? What is the compliance process that has been provided over here? That is, first thing is that the company has to pass a special resolution or consent of at least how much, 3/4 of the shareholders in value that they want to apply for the status of dormant company. That's the first point. Okay, second point is, once they get the special resolution, they will apply to ROC in form MSC 1. In form what? MSC 1. Okay, now after the application, if the registrar is satisfied, registrar will issue a certificate in the form MSC 2. This will be the registration that the company is a dormant company. Okay, so this is the third compliance. Now once the company is awarded the status of dormant company, after that the company will have to file the return of the dormant company audited by a practicing chartered accountant. Okay, within 30 days of the end of the financial year. So whenever the financial year ends, that is the 31st of March, okay, within 30 days of the end of the financial year, the company will have to file a return of dormant company. So there is a separate form over here, separate return format over here that is provided for return of dormant company. Okay, so this is also clear. Now the last compliance is that filling the form of allotment and changes in director situation base. At any point of time, if the if there are any allotment made by the company, or if there is a changes in the directors, that has to also be informed to the registrar, in the concerned registrar, in the filing of the forms that are required concerned. Okay, so this is the compliance process for the dormant company, and this is the concept of dormant company. I hope this video is useful for you. You have understood the concept of dormant company, and if you have understood it, please do like the video, subscribe to this channel for many more such easy revision concept kind of videos. That's it from me from this video. I will get back to you in some other video. That's it. Bye.